Where did you put this here?
Alright, we're going to dump the potatoes onto this tarp thing we got. Potatoes have been good brown and crispy, dead, for a week now.
There was that one growing in the house.
We got a potato growing in the house. We might replant that. Unfortunately, I've been putting too much hay and not enough actual compost in. Watch it, there's ants in there. So it's time for the big revealing of what's actually in here. I have no clue.
Insects is in there. It's safe, is it?
There's ants. Oh, there's a bunch of little ones. Now, I did a previous video of us growing these. This is kind of an update. These are supposed to produce like 50 pounds, but I just got too much hay in here. That potato's rotten. Oh, there's another. Look at that funny looking one.
There's another. Here's another one. This one is a tiny one.
I didn't put as much dirt, or soil in as I should have.
Here's a tiny one.
Tiny one. All right. Some of this is good compost now, but some of this is just too much hay. All right. So that one didn't do so good. Now for our second one. Oh, that one's a little heavier, so hopefully. Seems like there's more soil in this one anyways. I'm already seeing a bunch of little bitty. Those will be good to replant. There's another little one.
I found another one. Oh, it wants them.
Oh, here's some little ones. That one already has some eyes. That would be good to go ahead and start to plant. There's another.
Here's two. Here's one more. Here's one with busted. Here.
There's a grub.
Here's another grub.
Good for chicken food.
Ooh! Ooh. Look, I found three, Daddy.
Another itty bitty.
Here. What? Look at this one. It's already growing nice.
This one is too.
Here. Here. Ooh, ooh, here.
All right.
Grub.
Collecting the grubs.
Ooh, grub.
Feed those back to the chickens.
Here. Ooh.
Finding some more.
Up at the top.
Oh, there's another one.
Ooh.
That one's still connected to the plant.
Let me keep it on.
No. Ooh.
Ooh.
They are growing up in the hay.
Oh, this one got nothing in it. that one.
We're finding these little bitty rotten ones. It's just a skin left. Dog, leave our potatoes alone.
Hell. This some good hay. See, in case any left. What's that little thing?
Oh, let me come around and look.
I think it's a little glove.
Dog, what are you doing?
This is a little glove, I think. What is that?
I don't know. I don't know what that is. Some little bug or something. Alright. Oop, there's another one. So we're still finding them. I really should have.
Do this some other day?
No, I really should have put more soil in there. We're going to keep on digging through this big pile.
But we're going to stop this video?
Yeah, we're going to stop the video of our harvesting potatoes.
It's called harvesting. We only harvest like a bunch of things.
Yeah. But yeah, I kind of realized partially way through growing these, I didn't have enough soil. But I got some good potatoes with eyes. Just, I don't know, piece of garbage. But, we got a little pile of potatoes. Bunch of little ones.
It's raining.
Might be able to make a small batch of mashed potatoes out of them. I got a dog over here licking me.
A big one.
It's a mistake on my part. Not enough soil. Too much actual grass and hay. But,
what is this?
I don't know, you're finding all kinds of stuff in this. But we got a little pile of potatoes out of 2 garbage cans. If I would have put more soil instead of just hay in there, probably would have had more.
That's all the...
But I'm going to try a fall planting and try to replant some of these that has eyes. And,
put some in here, Bailey. Oh, here's one. You missed that one.
Okay. We'll replant some of these and go ahead and get off of here. And, but all we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of soil in there, and as the potatoes grow, keep bearing the plants, and hopefully next time we'll have better luck. So, God bless y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get off of here.
I put one in here.
We did a previous video on this, but
Can I put this in there?
Let's put some soil first. We'll put a layer of soil, put the potatoes, put another layer of soil, and maybe not so much hay. And as the plants grow, just keep burying them until the garbage can's full.
All the way full to this top.
But I'm going to go ahead and say God bless you all.
Have a great weekend.
Well, weekend's not here yet. And check out the rest of my videos. So we did another video on this once already. On the potatoes.
The piggy got shocked.
Okay, Piggy got shocked.
We got Piggy.
Alright, so I'll talk to y'all later. You gonna say bye, Lily? Bye.